The trial opens with a bombshell. Not about him, but about her.
I don't even know what this right one
When Dateline continues.
Survivor of a tragedy which left two people dead had himself been charged as the wrongly accused.
He just wanted us to know that he was innocent.
Former bandmate Woody Woodward had a hard time believing Brett was guilty. Brett, it sounds like.
I believe it. They actually called me and wanted me to be a character witness, and I told them I'd be glad to.
When the trial began in May, it was a courtroom divided. On one side, Brett's family and friends, including his and Tammy's teenage daughter. On the other side,
I have a sneaky suspicion that this is not supposed to come out the wall so easily. So I'm gonna have to watch a YouTube video and figure it out. I don't want to put a bunch of holes in my wall. Not that I ain't above that, because I do that kind of stuff all the time. But I feel like I can figure it out without doing that. See, I think if had I got the anchor in there straight, I wouldn't have this issue. Yeah, because if I bear any weight on it, it comes away from the wall. So I think the anchor didn't. It felt like I hit something when I went in with the drill with the nail. So I'm hoping it's like a 2x4. I don't know what else would be here. I don't think it'd be any like plumbing coming up this high, but it was something hard that I hit. I don't know. Let me see. I should have did a stud finder. Use the shelf. I can just lift those up and have a shelf. So happy with that. So happy. It's just what I needed, just what I wanted. Alrighty. I want to take my neighbor his drill back, because I don't want him to be worried that I'm going to bring him his drill back. So that is my shelf project. And if I want to, I can leave it. And I can like put these things on top of there. But I'm not, because I like my towels hanging up. So that's the shelf project. Now I got a place for like all my little the lip bar lipsticks. And I don't have to worry about trying to catch them before they fall in the sink. My earrings, I'm always like trying to make sure my earrings don't fall in the sink. So that's my little shelf project. And you know I've been making this shower curtain. I'm almost done. I am signing off. I thank everybody for hanging out with me all the time. And sorry for all the hiccups.